What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Swerve with another vid. Today's video is gonna be some calm shit. Right now we about to go to a little event early in the morning. It's 9 a.m. right now. So there's a little BMW event, a little park and chill. So I guess you could, it's not really a cars and coffee, but I guess you could call it a cars and coffee. Hopefully should be a lot of BMWs there. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, I'm not even going to talk too much for the intro. I'd be chatting, but yeah, we're going to get straight into this video. I'm about to get ready to leave right now, and I'm going to pick y'all up when I'm on my way there. So before we go to the car meet, we got to get a little wash in. A little quick wash at the blue spot. As y'all can see from the POV view, it's going to be a consistent flocker. It's going to be a little consistent flocker. So we about to wash up for now, and then we about to head over there. It's what? 9:47. It starts at 10 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna do this quick wash and then pick y'all back up with me at the spot. So yeah, I had to make a little quick pit stop. Went to Tropical Cafe to get a little acai bowl. I was dead ass there, but I realized I'm too early. I literally got there exactly at 10 o'clock. So I'm like, let me just get a little bite to eat. And yeah. Now it's 10:30. We're about to head over there now, and we're gonna see if it's active, if it's chill. As long as there's BMWs, I'm satisfied. Yo, child, we made it, but feel me? It's active. Like, it's a lot of good beams outside right now. A lot of beams, but I'm about to chill in the car and eat this real quick. I can't lie. I'm gonna get out after, but. Yes, I see a lot of good beams so far. Nice. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna flock and show y'all the cars that's here. I don't know what was happening with that. This looks like the Project Gamma car. This shit tough. GT3RS over there. Fire. Feels good to know I got people out in Houston who watch my content, man. It's gonna make me go harder. They got my shit. They got an M3 comp again. This color's not fire, chat. This color's some pain. I think been here for dumb long. I was just chopping it up with niggas. I didn't even get a chance to take my camera. There's a lot of good shit outside, man. M2 over there. 4 Series top block. Carbon hull. Let's see what this shit tough. M3 front mounts inside. Another M2 over there. M3. This color is fire. 540i with the carbon hood. This carbon hood is so tough. So tough. We gonna get that soon. Another M2? M2s is outside right now. Everybody got this color M2 now, huh? So this just the color? This the color we going with? One thing I like, you don't see a G87. And I want a G87 so bad, bro. So bad. I'm in need for a G87, bro. Because niggas don't, niggas on the media got it, but in person, you don't really see those, bro. I know you probably see them a lot more in Cali, but not out here, bro. Not out here. Now, yeah, the hood might definitely be my next purchase. I keep looking at it, it just looks so fire, bro. 700, I know. Where'd you get the badge from?
Oh, that's Amazon.
Amazon has this?
Yeah, it's Amazon.
Dead ass?
Dead ass. $20.
Oh, I need that. Amazon, I need that. I need that. Cause I was about to buy one from I think it's Toronto Carbon.
Yeah.
They do mad carbon like badges, but they're like 200-300.
Yeah, I know, and it takes like 6 weeks wait.
Dumb long to pull up too. I might order that tonight. Amazon, bad. Like, it's burning hot. Burning hot right now, bro. Everybody leaving, the event about to be over. You ask them or not? Real calm vibe outside. Only thing missing is some music. That's all we missing. Some damn music. It's cool though. Calm, chill. It's 10 to 11 and 12 p.m. now. It was 10 in the morning. He hit his shit with his wing?
With the door.
Damn. That sucks. Shit get hit on early this morning. Y'all be getting money though shooting those type of videos, so you're gonna be good. There's a skeleton in this shit. I don't need nothing until next month. And this shit is on. Eyes is lighting up like you got batteries in it or something. But these wheels are fire. These wheels are fire.
Pay attention to the condition. That's it.
Nah, yeah, it look mint.
That's it. This thing damn near new.
This is mint condition right here. Like this type of car I would love to have in my garage, just to have like just the old classic car. Come out here and there.
Nah, this is my drift car. I'll use it as my little drift car.
Yeah, I ain't too big into drifting. Not for now, at least.
But that's what this car looks like. That's what it reminds me of.
Nah, yeah, this car looks brand new. Brembos. Yeah, this is fire.
You got any plans for your whip? Next.
I got a downpipe coming in.
Nice. That's
Fire.
where it all starts off.
Yeah, M350i, right?
That's where.
Oh, 330?
That's where it all starts off, man. All these cars, man.
Nah, yeah.
Downpipe
tune, you all set. Everything else is for the aesthetic.
Your car gonna stink whenever you do it too. Your car stunk too whenever you did it, after you did it?
Yeah, still, it's still, I think the smell just stays there. I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. I got used to it. But
Yeah, I got used to it too. To the point where it kind of smells good to me now. Yeah, it smell like burning oil, but it's not too crazy as it sounds, for real.
It reminds me of a car meet though. That's what it's like when you go to like a drag strip.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. I kind of like that smell. You know, some people, but.
So yeah, we did just come from the car meet. That was good vibes, nice networking, seen some people that, you know, watched my content. Once again, that felt good. If y'all watching this, I fuck with y'all, bro. And yeah, now we go home. I'm dumb hot. It's so fucking hot outside, bro. Oh my goodness. I think I just got a tan. I think I just got a fucking tan out here, bro. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn those fucking post notices. If y'all new to the channel, keep showing me love. Feel me? And yeah, let me also show y'all something too. Hopefully we can get that work done today, but it's Sunday, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But we did just get our springs in the mail. Our springs came while we were at the meet. So like, it came at like 10 a.m., 2 hours ago. So I'm about to go pick that up and hit up the person that was supposed to be installing it and see what the word is. So y'all gonna see that video real soon. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it nice, short, and simple for y'all. And we out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vid.